I am Syed Ahmed. I am going to take you through a session on the use of been. I have found a lot of students making mistake using been. Been basically has got three different uses, which we're going to discuss today in class. And at the end of this session, I am sure you'll be clear about the use of been. But first, I would like to elicit some answers from students using been. I've got a few students here. I would like to pose a question to you. May I know, ma, how would you use been here?
She had been prepared cooked for me.
She had been prepared food for me. This is a sentence framed by Pujita, my student. We're going to discuss this. She had been prepared food for me is what she framed. Now let's understand, is it right? I would like to have an answer from Rakesh. Is it right?
Yes.
The sentence is right. Okay. This is a general notion among all students. Right? So end of this session, you will get to understand whether this is right, wrong, or how you should use been today. To understand this, very simple. What is the action we are talking about? What is the action we are talking about? What is the action here?
Prepared.
Prepared. Very good. Prepared. Who did the preparation? Who did the preparation? Did she do? She did, right? She did the preparation. When she did the preparation, been is not required. Am I clear? Then when is been required?
Scolded by the principal.
Is the spelling right? Or is it P-A-L? It's P-L, not P-L-E. P-L-E is rules. P-A-L is the head of institution. Clear? Now, I have been scolded by the principal. What's the action here?
Scolded.
Scolded is the action. Very good. Who did this action? Did I do? Scolding, who did? I did?
No, sir, done by principal.
I did not do. Who did? Principal did. I did not do. When there is a cross on this, there is a tick here, which means when the action is not done by the subject here, been is required. Clear? So what do you understand now? Been to be used when the action is not done by the subject. Two more examples I'll give you. The body has kept on the table. The body has kept on the table. What's the verb here?
Kept.
What's the action here? Kept. Can the dead body keep itself on the table? Can the body keep itself on the table? No. When this action is not done by the body, what is required? So when is been required? When the action in the sentence is not done by the subject. When the action in the sentence is done by the subject, been is not required. Hope I am clear? So this is one usage of been. I'll give one more example to consolidate your understanding about the use of been. Can children eat food? Can a 2-year-old baby eat food? No. A 2 or 3 months old baby cannot eat food. So what does the mother do? Mother feeds, right? So feeding is not done by the child himself or itself. The child has fed by the mother. What is the action here? Fed is the action. Did the child do? No. Child did not do. So when child did not do, been comes in. Am I clear? When does been not come? Cried. Who did the crying? Did child do? Did child do? Child did. When child did, is been required? Not required. What do you say? The child has cried. When the action is not done by the subject, been is required. When the action is done by the subject, been is not required. Hope I am clear. Let's go to the second usage of been. Let's go to the second use of been. We have dealt with the first one. Now we're dealing with the second one. When to use been? Been also is used for or synonymous with visit. Example. For you to make you understand this, I'll give you I'll draw your attention towards B1, B2, B3, B4 verbs. Go, went, gone, going. Suppose you have to frame a sentence. What is the sentence? I had gone to the Taj Mahal long back. I had gone to the Taj Mahal long back. Tense wise is correct. But what does gone mean? What does gone mean? Gone means gone, never came back. It means never came back. So when you have to say he never came back, then you say he's gone. He had cancer and he's gone. Means he's no more. So gone would mean never came back. So do you mean to say never came back? No. What do you mean? You mean visit. So what do we use? Instead of gone, we say he had been to the Taj Mahal. Why been? He went and he came back. Gone means went, never came back. Am I clear? When somebody plays cricket, cricket, a batsman's got only one chance. A bowler can have so many chances. Even being hit for sixes, he can again come back and bowl. But a batsman, when he makes one mistake, he's gone. He does not come back again in the same innings. So what do we say? He's gone. Means he cannot come back again in the innings. He can come back only in the next match. Whereas a bowler can keep coming back even if it's hit for sixes and fours. Right? So gone means never came back. But we don't mean here. What do you mean? He went and came back. So instead of using gone, we use been. This is the second use of been. Let's move on to the third usage. Third usage of been. Been also is used for suggesting that the action is not stopped, it is continuing. When you have to suggest that the action is not stopped, continuing, we use been. I'll give you two examples to make you understand this. I have worked here for 2 years now. Okay. One more sentence. I have been working here. I have been working here since 2023. The difference between the two sentences is that in the first sentence, the person started his action in 2021 and completed in 2023. The person started working here in 2021 and stopped in 2023. So when he stopped in 2023, we say he has worked or I have worked for 2 years now. But the person has not stopped. The person is still continuing the job. He joined in 2021, did not leave the job in 2023. In fact, he is continuing. So when he is continuing, what do we say? He has been or I have been working here since 2021. Why do we use been here? Been means the action is on. Action is continuing. Hope I am clear? Now the things are clear. Let's again evaluate ourselves and understand how much we understood. So for that, I will again give you 3 sentences. You may give your answers in the comment box. Example for the first one. I have been informed them about the danger. Please tell me if it's right or wrong. If it's right, mark it as R. If it's wrong, mark it as W. He had gone to meet the PM long back. Is it right or wrong? I have worked here since 2021. Please give your comments on this. And if you like it, please subscribe. Also give your likes. Thank you so much.